Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick lecture, we will take a look at the introduction to Python dictionary. So far, we have worked with lists, tuples, and sets, which are all collections of values. But what if you want to store data as key value pairs, like a name and phone number or a product and its price? That's where Python dictionaries come in. So, what is a dictionary? A dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs. Each item in a dictionary is made up of two parts: the key, which is a unique identifier, and the value, which is the data associated with that key. Think of it like a real-life dictionary where you look up a word and get the meaning. The word is the key. The meaning is the value. Now let's understand important key points about Python dictionary. The dictionaries are unordered until Python 3.6. In older versions of Python, dictionaries were completely unordered, but starting from Python 3.7, they maintain the insertion order of items. That means items will stay in the order you added them. Still, you should not rely on this for sorting. Next, keys must be unique and immutable. Every key in a dictionary must be unique. You can't have two keys with the same name. Also, keys must be immutable, meaning they can't be changed. So strings, numbers, and tuples can be used as keys, but not lists or other dictionaries. Next, values can be anything. Values in a dictionary can be any data type. They can be strings, numbers, lists, other dictionaries, or even functions and objects. There are no restrictions on values. Next, dictionaries are mutable. Yes, dictionaries are mutable. That means you can change, add, or remove items after the dictionary is created. This makes them flexible and powerful for real-world programming tasks. Next, dictionaries use curly braces. To define a dictionary, you use curly braces. Each key and value are separated by a colon. Each pair is separated by a comma. We'll see the actual syntax in the next lesson. Now, how are dictionaries used? Dictionaries are everywhere. They are perfect when you want to look up information based on a label. For example, storing student names and their grades, mapping country codes to country names, saving product details, caching search results, and even storing JSON data from APIs. Dictionaries help us organize data in a way that makes retrieval easy and fast. Let's wrap up with the key points. A Python dictionary is an unordered mutable collection of key value pairs. Keys must be unique and immutable. Values can be of any data type. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces. They are used when you want to associate one thing with another, like a label and a value. You can add, update, or delete entries anytime. Dictionaries are absolutely essential in real-world Python projects, from web development to data science, from configuration files to databases. In the upcoming lectures, we'll move into hands-on coding. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.